Number 1. What is the total area of Meghalaya? Number C. 2022 429 km is a correct answer. Number 2. In which country is comparable to the size of Meghalaya? Number C. Belize is a correct answer. Number 3. What is the capital of Meghalaya? Number B. Shillong is correct answer. Number 4. What is the capital of Assam before Dispur? Number A. Shillong is a correct answer. Number 5. When was Meghalaya separated from Assam? Number A. 21 January 1972 is a correct answer. Number 7. How many divisions are in Meghalaya? Number D. 3 divisions is correct answer. Number 9. What is the Sanskrit meaning of Meghalaya? Number C. Abode of clouds is correct answer. Number 10. Which two districts of Assam was carved out to form the state of Meghalaya? Number B. United Khasi Hills and Jainti Hills and Garo Hills is a correct answer. Number 11. What is the length to breadth ratio of Meghalaya? Number D. 3:1 is correct answer. Number 12. Which is the only country that borders Meghalaya? Number B. Bangladesh is correct answer. Number 13. Which is the only Indian state that borders Meghalaya? Number A. Assam is correct answer. Thank you so much watching video.